look at me, I'm
Hey guys, welcome to Revin Auto 717. In this video, I'm going to install some hood struts on my Mustang Cobra. I got them from American Muscle. So I'm going to open the box up here and I'll show you exactly what I got. So let's get started. Here's the hood struts that I got. These are the MMD modular muscle design hood struts that I bought for this car. So I'm going to get rid of this box. And then I just got to open this up. So I'm going to get this all opened up and I'll show you how to install it on your Mustang. I've got the tape off. I'm going to open this up. Here are the directions for how to install it. Here, it's labeled very, very well. And then also here's all the brackets that you need. So I'm going to start working on this, and it is a bolt-on kit. So basically you're going to take off the two bolts that hold the hood on, the hinge that holds the hood on there. You're going to take one of them off and the other one you're going to loosen it. Then you will slide one of these brackets on, and then you'll do the same on the bottom here, and it'll be good to go. So let's get started. So I just got the passenger side loosely installed. I had to take out the one closest to me completely off, and the other one I loosened it. That way it was probably about 1/4 of an inch out, and I slid it on. Now I'm going to tighten this up really good, and then I'll go over to the driver's side and do the same thing, and I'll touch base with you when I got both sides done. And just a reminder, before you do this, make sure you only do one side at a time. Make sure you loosen one side and then put the bracket on and then tighten it back up. You don't want the hood to shift or anything too much. I mean, it will shift a little bit, just kind of got to get it lined up a little bit. When you put it down for the final time, just make sure you don't slam it. Just put it down gently, make sure everything lines up perfectly, and you should be good to go. Just want to make sure that's noted in this. Hey guys, so just got these two installed on both sides. It took about 5 minutes probably each side just to kind of get this lined up good and make sure everything's kind of square in that. And then next thing you're going to do is there's an 8mm bolt. There's two of them actually on here, and you're going to do the outermost one. Take that out and then there's a little L bracket here with a ball nut on the end. You're going to put that on each side, and you're going to do that, tighten it up, and then you're going to be ready to install these hood rods on it. So I mean, this will take probably about 5 minutes yet to do. Pop these on and it is done, and you are good to go. And then I can remove this prop rod. So really excited to be able to do that. So I'm going to put this on and should be good to go then, and I'll show you the end result. Hey guys, so got both hood struts on, and now I can remove this. I believe it's an 8mm, or maybe it's even smaller than that, and get rid of the prop rod. And I can also get rid of the actual clip over there, and it'll look so much cleaner, and it already looks nicer, and you can actually get into everything. I did order this on American Muscle for, I think it was just under $70, and I used their discount, which I'll put in the link below, for 6% off. So but yeah, definitely turned out really good. Looks really, really nice. Really happy with it. And yes, there is holes in the hood, and that was for this was for the piping for up here. This has a I think it's a 1-inch spacer, intake spacer there, and then this hole up here is for the Anderson power pipe that is on there. So yes, it does have a couple holes in it that definitely need to be fixed up. So, but yeah, definitely looking pretty clean. I'm gonna get rid of this, and then I'll show some videos of it completely done.